Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome back to my channel Parul English Lab. Today in this video, I will tell you how you can say no in a polite way without being rude. So please watch this video till the end because it is going to help you a lot. And before going ahead, please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notification. Now let's get started. This happens with us all the time when our friends or family or peers, colleagues, etc., they invite us for an event, maybe for the party, for coffee, for a meal together, for a get together, etc., and we don't want to go and we want to say no. So in that case, sometimes we might sound a little rude or the other person might feel bad about it when we say no. So now I will tell you different situations and I will also tell you how to handle them. What should be your response when you want to say no without being rude? How you can handle the situation and what other phrases or sentences you can use. So let's start with our first situation. So first situation is when there is a weekend gathering and one of your friends asks you, hey, a few of us are grabbing drinks tonight at 9 p.m. You're coming, right? And you want to say no, then you can say, sounds good, but I'm going to pass this time around. Come on, it's just for an hour. I would love to see everyone, but I'm taking some much needed downtime this weekend. So this way, politely, you can say no to your friend. Next situation is when there is a family favor and one of your relatives asks you, can you drive me to the airport at 4 a.m. this Sunday? And you want to say no because you're not really comfortable getting up at 4 in the morning and at the same time you don't want to be rude. So what you can say, that's so thoughtful of you to ask, but I already have plans for that morning. Are you sure? Because it's really early. I thought you would be free. Well, I'm not in a position to commit to this right now, but I can definitely book a cab for you. So this way, politely, you can say no. Next situation is when there is a group trip request and one of your friends asks you, we are booking a cabin in the mountains next month. Total cost is rupees 5,000 per person. Do you want me to add you? You can say, I'm laying low at the moment, but let's definitely catch up once my schedule clears. Are you sure? We really want you there. Unfortunately, that doesn't align with my current priorities, but keep me posted on how it turns out. Next situation is when there is a social media or event invitation and you're the creator and one of the organizers says, we would love for you to speak at our panel next week. It's unpaid, but it's going to be a great exposure for you. And now you want to say no. Then what you can say is, I'm going to pass on this opportunity, but I really appreciate you reaching out. Is there any price that would make it work? I'm going to respectfully decline so that I don't overpromise and underdeliver. Next situation is when anyone from your friends or family or peer, etc., asks you to join a committee or something like that. Then how you can say no. Can you join this new volunteer committee with me? It's only a few hours a week. Then you can say, I'm making new rule for myself to say no to new projects this month. So I won't be able to join. Maybe next month then. I'm not the best fit for this right now, but I appreciate the thought. So these were some situations that you might come across in your everyday life, and these were some alternatives that you can use in place of saying no so that you don't sound rude. I hope you have understood all of that and now practice, and if you like my content and videos, then please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab. And don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day.